Hi everyone, Trish here. I am so glad that you stopped in to see me today. This is really impromptu, but I'm trying to reach it without going out of focus. I just got a delivery, my first colored Raine. I know I am so late to this train. I had never ordered from Colored Raine before, and I cannot remember who I saw talking about it, but I was like, you know what? I'm making an order. I need to try this. I thought we would just do an unboxing if my camera doesn't overheat. This actually came pretty quick. I was super impressed. Very well protected. I ordered 3 palettes, 5 lipsticks. I got Affluence. Pretty packaging. That is gorgeous. Oh yes, that is pretty. These are vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. This one is Charmed. Oh, that is gorgeous. Real pretty for spring and summer. Gorgeous. I love the packaging. This one is Whipped. Beautiful. Then we have Serene right here. And the last lippy is Cameo. Cameo is right here. Nice. I'm excited to try those. I'm sure that most of you have seen these palettes. This is, oh my gosh. Cheers to the beauty. Those are beautiful. Now that is green. Oh my goodness. Queen of Hearts. Like I said, I know I'm late to this train, but I just had to. These are gorgeous. And the last one I got, Safari Raine. Look at those. Those gorgeous colors. I'm gonna have some fun with those palettes. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have an amazing day, and I will talk to you in the next video.